Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I just got a new mattress. I got Helix Dusk. Helix delivered it to my door. Now I'm opening the mattress. I could not believe that this was a king-size mattress in this plastic. I put it on my bed and I made sure I had centered it on the frame. That's what I'm saying. Snakes in a can? Oh no, oh no. Well, he had issues. I didn't plan for it to unwrap that way too. It's time to readjust. Oh, and apparently it's got to turn around the other way. I was not that great in geometry in high school. Voila! Awesome! My old mattress was so old it was falling apart by the seams, so I dragged it out the front door. This mattress has not won. This mattress was manufactured in 1998. It's time to say goodbye. It's 21 years old. It's old enough to drink. Well, we can just take a big deep sea drink in the ocean for all I care. Pickup. Bye-bye, birdie. And they delivered the base to it too. The base was super easy to put together. I put it together myself. Everything in the base was very lightweight and it only came with a few parts. I did not even need a screwdriver. I really like my bed frame, so I wanted to use it, and the base acted like the box springs I used to have. I lined the pieces up like they said in the directions. They gave me this little booklet. It was great. There was only about 5 steps to do to get the base together. I didn't even have to have a bed frame for the base. I could have just had it on the floor. But for me, I just wanted that base like box spring, so I had the height of my bed that I'm used to. And I really like my bed frame. And then I was ready to put my mattress on it. I had been researching on the internet and I found Helix. Everybody sleeps differently, and I wanted a mattress that was made for me and that was easy to order with Helix. It's designed to have a medium feel to the top of the bed. It's not too firm and it's not too soft. It features all position body contouring. My bed is designed for any kind of position I want to sleep in. It'll contour to my body however I want to sleep. Or just in case the man of my dreams comes my way. Mr. Dreamboat will be fine. The mattress is going to feature everything he might like. And with my new Helix, I hope it brings me lots of great dreams so I can dream ahead about who that might be. Comment and tell me your suggestions. This Helix Dusk covers it all. The inside of the mattress is made with gel visco foam and a Helix dynamic foam, which is proprietary materials that they've come up with for their mattress. It also has a great support layer of high-grade polyfoam. The designers of it have an amazing zone body shape layer too that is 1,000 plus individually wrapped coils with a softer feel under my shoulders and then a firmer feel for under my hips, which is going to cradle my body and align my spine. And that is going to provide an advanced lumbar and edge support so my back isn't going to hurt. I like that Helix has all kinds of styles of mattresses. I had a lot to choose from, but this is the one I like best. Helix made it so easy for me to get a great mattress sent right to my door. I was really happy about the buying process. The quiz was so fun to take. So in the quiz, I wanted it for 2 sleepers, just in case I get lucky. Rebecca and Mr. Man of my dreams. Sleep position, I don't know how much he weighs. It made me laugh. Maybe it's time for you to get your own Helix mattress, so click the link below and check them out. I really love mine. And of course, the best test is in the relaxation. And for me, that's doing about everything in bed. And it's not always playtime. Sometimes there's work involved. I mean, really, if you have a YouTube channel, you could be working 24/7 getting great comments from your wonderful viewers that spend the time to write them. I'm Rebecca Wren, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for really great sleep and all the other bedtime activities. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. If you like this video, make sure you check out my others. I put some right over there for you.